Hi everybody, and thank you for coming over to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please consider subscribing. And if you have been here with me forever, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. And now, that being said, I am going to have a 4,000 subscriber giveaway, okay? And in this video, please put the hashtag 4,000 and please make a comment. There'll be one winner. And it's going to be a $50 gift card, and I'll put all the rules in the description box of the video. Now, let me show you what I think is not going to last at the Dollar Tree for very long because of just my history of seeing that these things go. Now, this candy is no artificial flavors, there's no artificial colors, so this candy is the candy that goes the fastest, okay? And I love this candy. It's delicious. It's milk chocolate. It's out of this world, actually, okay? Everything I show you here, my personal opinion, I think it's going to go quick. Okay, here is another thing that always goes quick every year. Once they get out on the little racks that they put them on, they usually kind of maybe last less than a week, okay? In my personal experience, because the very first year that they were out, I missed out on them, okay? So then every time they put them out, I looked for them this year. Last year I got lucky, and this year I got lucky. So there's 8 different ones. There's 8 different colors. They're banners of bunnies, and they all have the little teals on them. I want to show you what I did with these one year. Okay, guys, so I love Andy Warhol, okay? I love his paintings. I love his art. Well, I don't know if they call it paintings, but I love his art. And anyway, this thing, I just pulled it out of the closet. I can fix that again. So I made this with all Dollar Tree products, okay? I got the board, you know, I guess it's called the poster board. It's like a foam board. I got that at the Dollar Tree. I got all these bunnies in this pack, okay? And then I kind of, you know, did the squares. Now, I made a mistake by putting it on that poster board, that foam one, because it kind of is curving a little bit. But you could maybe do it on a piece of wood. But, I mean, how cute is that, right? And I'm going to hang that up, but I got to fix that tail. These pom-poms, yeah, they're already on the bunny. Okay, so getting back to that, grab these while you can because they do sell out quick. Okay, so I may be wrong on this, guys, but this is new to my store, and I do think that this is going to go quick because I only saw 2 on the shelf, okay, and that's usually a telltale sign that these are not going to last, and that's that cute saying. I mean, it's been around forever, but it's double-sided, and how adorable is that, okay? That is so cute. I've never seen that cup there before, ever. Okay, now last but not least, guys, the Hello Kitty and Friends matching learning cards, okay? Anything Hello Kitty will not last at the Dollar Tree, okay? The coloring books go fast, and these are going to go fast too. They're in the section where there's like the school section, you know? So anyway, that being said, they are matching cards, so I opened up this box so you could see. So I'm going to put this pile over here because this pile is the same exact thing as that pile over there. And I'm just going to show you the cards up close, okay? So you can see how adorable these cards are. There's Hello Kitty herself, right? That little kitty is adorable. There's another one of these, but he looks a little bit different. And then they got little twin stars. Bads Maru. Did I already show that? Or is that, no, that was the, okay, it just looks like Choco Cat. Okay, Bads Maru. I don't even know who this guy is, right? I've seen him before, Tuxedo Sam. And then this is Doki Doki Yummy Chums. That's what it says, Doki Doki Yummy Chums. How adorable is that? And then My Melody. And then, I don't know how to say that, but I'm going to say Karapi. And then Pom Pom Purin. If I'm not pronouncing them right, I just don't know how to. Hangy Odin. He's cute. And then we got little twin stars again. They're like in boxes of French fries, I think. And then we've got Hello Kitty again. This time she's got like a little drink, right? and then you got another Choco Cat, and then another My Melody. Karapi, I think is a different, yeah, because that one's on a skateboard, right? And then Pom Pom Purin. And again, over here is all the matches to those, because this is a matching game. So anyway, guys, that's it. Those are the things that I do believe will sell out quick at the Dollar Tree, in particular these cards. And that being said, don't forget that I'm having that 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Like I said, I'll have all the information in the description box. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That's part of it. But again, I'll put everything in the description box. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you bringing me up like this to the 4,000. And I'll see you in the next video. And I'll let you know in the description box when I will have that giveaway. Bye now.